Ranking third in our countdown is the PUV consolidation. President Bongbong Marcos reiterated that he is not extending the April 30 deadline for PUV consolidation. This means that on May 1, all PUV drivers who did not join a cooperative will be considered as a colorum. The Transport Department reported that 80% of jeepney and UV Express operators have already joined a cooperative so far. Now, in Metro Manila, the consolidation rate is at 58%.
Sa kahuli-hulihan ay asahan ninyo, wala na pong extension yung modernization. Kailangan na natin yan. Ayusin. Ang tinitiyak lang namin na hindi mapabigat pa ang babayaran at iutang ng driver-operator. Kaya ginagawa nating maayos at ginagawa nating well-organized yung sistema na yan.
Okay, so while we are waiting for our guest for today related to that topic, syempre yun nga, very firm na si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos on his decision na hindi na daw may extend to. Remember, from last year, na-extend to January and then April, just to make sure nga yung lahat ng mga tumututol ay, would change their minds and join the, itong PUV modernization
Plus nakailan
program.
extensions na ang government. Tapos ang point nila is, kawawa rin naman yung mga nag-consolidate. Oo, because matagal na silang sumama sa program, and yet may mga ilan that are delaying the full implementation and napeperwisyo yung mga iba because hindi nagkakaunawaan on certain issues.
I was wondering nga, ito kasi may mga ibang reports din tayo nakita na there are several jeepney operators also or jeepney drivers who are kumbaga returning their units.
Yes, oo.
Kasi nga hindi na daw talaga nila kayang magbayad. Yung mga nauna
mga nauna daw, hindi makaremit ng monthly payment nila. So instead of na yung outright ma-confiscate yung car, sinusoli nila para hindi na mag-accrue yung mga expenses nila.
Oo.